Ever feel like you're doing everything right for your skin but still not seeing results? It might not be your products. It might be stress. Science is seriously incredible, right? It just blows your mind with all its wonders. When you're feeling stressed, your body starts pumping out this hormone called cortisol. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, something's up. A little cortisol is totally fine, but when it's always high, it really messes things up, you know? It totally targets the collagen and elastin in your skin, helping you achieve that youthful glow you've always wanted. Seriously, it's like a dream come true. These proteins are like the secret sauce that keeps your skin looking firm, bouncy, and absolutely youthful. I mean, they really work wonders. So, chronic stress is really speeding up the aging process, making those fine lines and sagging skin show up way sooner than you'd expect. Those random angry breakouts? Yep. You guessed it, stress is totally the culprit. Stress strikes again, right? It's wild how our skin reacts to all that pressure, isn't it? Cortisol triggers inflammation throughout your body, and your skin is no exception. This inflammation can clog pores and create the perfect environment for acne to thrive. So that pimple that popped up right before a big event? Stress is totally the culprit here, don't you think? It's such a drag. On top of all this, stress messes with your sleep. And sleep is prime time for your skin to repair itself. Your body boosts blood flow to the skin while you snooze, meaning it's busy fixing damage from the sun and reducing wrinkles. Not getting enough quality sleep? You're seriously stealing that important time your skin needs to repair and glow. Waking up feeling all kinds of tired? I get it, your skin's totally feeling it too. It's like, ugh, what happened? That's why just slapping on those pricey creams usually doesn't cut it. You really need to get to the root of the problem for real results. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your face. It's a holistic thing. If you're not managing your stress, getting enough sleep, and taking care of yourself from the inside out, you're basically fighting an uphill battle with your skin. Maybe the best thing you can add to your routine isn't another serum, but just a bit more self-care, you know? Seriously, think about it. Really appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips.